Told you. What'd I tell you? I'm talking to the YouTubes. Because I did a video on Nana. She was gonna come home with no gas, and let's see. Let's see where she's at. You could even see that. Yep, gas lights on. Haha, wouldn't you know? The gas lights on. We're gonna go get gas for her and see what else we get into. So road trip. Just get on a little road trip. Good productive day in the books. You know, did mostly what I said I needed to do, what I wanted to do, and got it done. You know, just doing what I can to kick this laziness out. You know, I need to stop being lazy and stop procrastinating. So tomorrow's another day, and I'll get it going again. I'm gonna work on my list out right now before I go to sleep. But real quick, I wanted to talk about when I went to get gas. You know, I had to use my phone to scan the QR code to start the pumps and stuff. I was at Sam's Club, and when I used to go get gas, I used to get a little irritated when I would see people use their phones to pay at the pump, you know, or see people pay with their phones at the cash register. You know, I used to get irritated. But now it's like you're being forced to use your phone, or your phone. And so today when I went to get gas, I scanned the QR code with my phone, and I just thought to myself, you know, what if I forgot my phone? Because a lot of times, excuse me, I feel I don't really need my phone. I'm just running up to the store real quick. You know, everyone's so they rely on their phone so much, and you know, yeah, we do. But again, you know, if my car breaks down on the side of the road, I know how to survive. I know how to survive. I know how to use a phone, get to a phone, what have you. But so it was getting to me like, man, you're being forced to carry your phone. And I remember when I started my YouTube journey, I started with my phone. You know, I was always using my phone to record, to make videos, and then I'd get phone calls or messages or what have you, and it would throw me off. So I stopped using my phone. Well, then I started using this GoPro, and it's way more convenient for me. So like today when I went to get gas, I almost forgot my phone, and I was to the point I was like, well, I don't need it. But then I thought, well, yeah, maybe I do. So I went back inside and I grabbed it, and while I was waiting in line, it hit me, wow, I do need my phone to scan the pump number. And also the debit card or credit card you use is tied to your phone and to your account, your Sam's Club account, what have you. And Costco is the same way now, and it's like, you know, so you're getting forced to use your phone. So like I said, I was getting irritated, and I stopped to think about it, like, well, it is what it is, and if I push back, it's gonna push back. The more I get irritated, the more I'm gonna see it. So I just gotta learn to accept this new technology. And I mean, with these new cameras that are coming out, I'm gonna have to learn them, because I'm so used to this GoPro, the simple click and what have you. I just gotta accept it. Technology's taking over, and I have to accept it. You know, I'm gonna have to start carrying my phone everywhere and make it a point. And you know, kind of brings me back to when cell phones first came out, and everybody had to have their holsters. You know, you have their holsters, and it's been a few years, but I remember I used to have a holster for my phone, and one day, one of my kids, I can't remember which one it was, they told me, you know, Dad, that them days with them phone holsters are over. You got to give it up. You know, you look like a grandpa for reals. You got to give that holster up. I was like, all right. So now I carry my phone in my pocket. So sometimes if I don't have decent pockets to carry my phone. I don't want to carry my phone. And I'll walk outside and my wife will be like, babe, your phone. I'm like, oh, forgot it. Kind of. I really didn't want to carry it, but oh well. It is what it is. I'm just ranting. I just thought I'd bring that up real quick, about accepting things the way they are. Don't try to change things. Don't just go with the flow, I guess. Just it is what it is. Kind of like the prayer, the saying goes, give me the patience to accept the things I cannot change, and something for the things I don't remember how it goes, but you know what I'm trying to say. Let me see, what does it say? Hey Ziggy, how does a serenity prayer go?
Serenity prayer, according to Wikipedia, is, God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference.
There it is. What he said. So yeah, I'm just going to have to start learning to accept the things I can't change. And change what I can, like my laziness. So I'm still working on it. But until the next one, guys, good night. Perfect timing. I'm out.